Hello, you may be asking, why, Miss Molly, are you holding toilet paper? Well, because this toilet paper roll could save your child's life. Unbelievable, I know. So, if you have small children, as you know, there's lots of things that can cause choking hazards. Even when they're a little older, there's choking hazards. So, an easy way to check to see if it's a choking hazard or not and not go out and buy those tubes that you see at Toys R Us is to take your toilet paper roll. Probably without toilet paper on it, but I don't have any. So here's our toilet paper roll. We have a variety of toys. So here we go. Put this down just a tad so you can see. And see, what else do I have here? Okay, and some shaped blocks. This one's a round guy. Here's kind of that one. And let's see, there's a bigger circle. Okay. Now, we take our paper toilet roll, with or without the paper. We take the object and you place it in. If it goes through the toilet paper roll, then you do not want to give it to your small child because they can swallow and choke on it. However, this is just as bad because all of a sudden that's in their throat and they cannot breathe. So this is not a good plan either. This one, you're probably gnawing on it. It's not going down anywhere. This one, same thing. Gnawing on it. I always do a double check and look at the paper. And as you can see, it is peeling. Would you want your child to eat that? That is a question that you need to ask every time you hand them something. If I give them this and they're sucking on it, is that really something I'm okay with? What's on this? What happens if part of it comes off? You need to ask yourself those questions before you even hand them anything. So as you can see, the variety of things that go through, that get stuck, that sort of thing, you can figure out real fast. Now another safety concern when you're looking at toys is on the box. It will say an age on your box. Now, they do age them up a tad. I am not saying you should go out and purchase toys that are 6 or 8 up when you have an infant. I'm just saying that if you think, for example, Play-Doh is 3 and up, I believe, and if you give your small child Play-Doh and they eat a little, it's not the end of the world, but it is something that you should watch. So if it's a little higher than your age limit, little by like a year, you should be sitting there staring at them, making sure they're not eating it. And if it's made in China, no offense China, but a lot of times their paint can be substandard or have lead base in it because it is out of the United States. You want to pick it up and you want to put it in your hand and you want to try to peel it and see if anything comes off. This is plastic. It is not painted. It's not coming off. This is wood. It doesn't look like the paint would come off, but maybe if you sucked on for a while, it could. So just be aware of these things. Pay attention. Be, a savvy shopper like you always are. But before you hand your kids the keys or whatever it is, you want to make sure that if it's not something you'd put in your mouth, why would you want your child to put it in their mouth? This is my cat. You want to meet my cat? This is Houdini. And she doesn't eat anything, do you? You're a baby, but you don't eat anything. So anyway, that is the key to making sure that your toys do not end up in a hazardous situation with your child, because your child's life is worth way more than handing them something so they stop screaming at you, because that could be the last thing that they do, and that's not cool. So Just be aware, be vigilant, use your toilet paper roll, and good luck. Have a good day.